Creating an e-learning course involves several steps, from planning and design to implementation and evaluation. Here's a detailed guide to help you develop an effective e-learning course. 1. Identify learning objectives. Define clear and measurable learning objectives. What do you want learners to know or be able to do after completing the course? 2. Understand your audience. Know your target audience's demographics, learning preferences, and existing knowledge. Tailor your content to meet their needs. 3. Choose a learning management system, LMS. Select an appropriate LMS to host and deliver your course. Popular options include Moodle, Canvas, or proprietary platforms like Teachable and Thinkific. 4. Content outline. Create a detailed outline of the course content. Break it down into modules, lessons, and topics. Ensure a logical flow and progression. 5. Storyboarding. Develop a storyboard for each module. Include text, multimedia elements, interactive components, and assessments. This helps visualize the course structure. 6. Content creation. Develop engaging and interactive content. Use a variety of multimedia elements, such as text, images, videos, audio, and interactive quizzes. Ensure the content is concise and relevant. 7. Interactivity. Include interactive elements like quizzes, discussions, case studies, and simulations to keep learners engaged. 8. Multimedia production. Create or source multimedia content. Ensure all visuals and audio enhance the learning experience. Use a consistent design and style throughout the course. 9. Assessment strategies. Design assessments that align with learning objectives. Include formative assessments, quizzes during the course, and summative assessments, final exams or projects. 10. Feedback mechanisms. Provide feedback on assessments to guide learners. Incorporate peer reviews, discussion forums, or instructor feedback. 11. Accessibility. Ensure your course is accessible to all learners, including those with disabilities. Use alt text for images, provide closed captions for videos, and use readable fonts and colors. 12. Technology considerations. Test the course on various devices and browsers to ensure compatibility. Optimize for mobile devices. 13. Pilot testing. Conduct a pilot test with a small group to gather feedback. Use this feedback to make necessary improvements. 14. Launch and marketing. Plan your course launch. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Social media, email campaigns, and other channels. 15. Support and communication. Establish communication channels for learners to seek support. Provide clear instructions on how to navigate the course and troubleshoot common issues. 16. Continuous improvement. Gather feedback from learners and use analytics from the LMS to identify areas for improvement. Update content to keep it current. 17. Legal and compliance. Ensure your course complies with copyright laws and any industry-specific regulations. Include terms of use and privacy policies. 18. Monitoring and evaluation. Monitor learner progress and engagement. Evaluate the effectiveness of the course through surveys, assessments, and feedback. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive and effective e-learning course. Remember to stay flexible and open to feedback for continuous improvement.